Hi students, this is Tanvi from Oliveboard and I welcome you all for the class today. So today I am going to discuss how we are going to handle the question of new pattern syllogism in your RBI Grade B examination. So all of you must have seen the question of syllogism in the previous papers or in the mock test that they are giving you conclusions and they are asking that which set of statements is going to make these conclusions true. So what we do, we make the diagram for the statement. Normally what we people do, we make the diagram of statement, okay, we make the diagram and then we check which conclusion follows. But nowadays they are going to reverse the whole question. They are going to give you the conclusion and going to ask which set of statements is a accurate set of statement to answer these conclusions correct. So how could we solve this? Are we going to make diagram for all the given 5 options? No, we need not make diagram. We are going to use a shortcut. We are going to use a trick to minimize the options, and after you minimize, you are left with just one or maximum to maximum 2 options. Okay, so if you have 2 options, you can make a diagram for those 2 options. Okay, but if you are left with just one option, you need not make the diagram, just mark that option as your answer. Okay, so how can we do that? Okay, so here, before telling that, we pledge for your success, and here is the question. Now this is the whole format, that where you have the conclusion in the question. These are the conclusions. These are the 3 conclusions given, and he's asking how to tell in which option out of these 5 set of statements, which set of statements is going to take these 3 conclusions correct. Okay, so these are the option number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what can be done? Okay, so if you know that from positive statement, negative conclusion is always wrong. Similarly, from negative statement, positive conclusion is always wrong. And if that's the case, we are going to use that here. We need not make a diagram. What we are going to do? Like here, what I have, some heroes are zeros. Okay, some heroes are zeros. So if some heroes are zeros, means it is a positive conclusion between hero and 0. So if I have a positive conclusion between hero and 0, there should not be any negative statement about hero and 0. So negative statement about hero and 0 will be wrong. So let us check that. If I am getting any negative statement about hero and 0, so here I have no 0 is hero. So this option is wrong. Why? Because from no 0 is hero, I cannot conclude that some heroes are 0. Okay, so here also if you check, it is no bottom is hero and all 0 are coming in bottom. So if all 0 are coming in bottom and no bottom is hero, so automatically no 0 is hero. So this 5th option is also wrong. Okay, now let's check the 3rd one. Here you have no 0 is bottom. Now here you have all heroes are bottom. So heroes is coming in bottom and no bottom is 0. So that suggests no 0 is hero. So this is also wrong. So just by focusing on single conclusion of hero and 0, we could at least tell that 3rd, 4th and 5th are wrong. Now we are left with just 2 options. Okay, and we didn't even pick the 2nd and 3rd conclusion. So 2nd and 3rd, because in 1st and 2nd I cannot find anything related to 0 and hero. Okay, now here he says in the 2nd one that some top are joker. Okay, some top are joker. Just see the 2nd set of statement. Some joker are 0. Now I am just making the diagram which you should not make in the paper, but you should draw it in your mind. Some joker are 0. Okay, some 0 are top, some top are hero. So you know, if it is some joker are 0, then some 0 are top, then joker will have a doubtful relation with top. Similarly, joker will have a doubtful relation with hero. So if joker is having a doubtful relation with top, I cannot conclude that some top are joker. Okay, so this 2nd set is also wrong. So if 4 options are wrong, we are left with just one option, which is option number 1. Okay, so what we did, we didn't do anything. We just minimized the options with the rule of from positive statement, negative conclusion is wrong. From negative statement, positive conclusion is wrong. Just by focusing on that rule, we could tell that first set of statement is the correct set. If you make the diagram for the first set of statement, these 3 conclusions will be true. even without making the diagram. Okay, so the answer here is option number 1. So I hope you all like the trick and you are going to use it in your RBI Grade B examination. So this was all. So in the end, I would like to request you all subscribe to our new regulatory YouTube channel and regulatory app if you want to know more such tricks that could help in your exam. Thank you so much.